Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had visited the Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong on the 28th of June 2023 and distributed completion certificates and appointment letters to students passing out of the institute. Those present during the event included the Deputy Commissioner of East Khas Hills District, R.M. Kurba, the principal, faculty members and students of the institute, officials of the Meghalaya State Skills Development Society, besides others. While addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma informed that the government has a target of creating 5 lakh job opportunities in different sectors and assured that the government would partner with Don Bosco Technical School in a larger way to achieve this target.
So what we need is a setup, like in for example, my wife started a small program. So when it's training like this, she got about 20 attempts. Solar program, solar photovoltaic cell and services, like installation of it.
Got their placement at J.W. Marriott Sohar, Mumbai.
There is a sense of this passion that I saw in all of you. The spark that's there in all of you, this desire to really do something. And that's really, I tell you, the most important aspect in life when you do something. You need to ensure that whatever you are doing or thinking or believing, the two people who came here and spoke, you could see that sense of passion in their voice and in their eyes and what they wanted to do or what they're doing. Today, Meghalaya and the entire country faces a very, very tough situation. We have, as we speak, and I would put 18 years as the age which we would say as an adult and a person who is joining the workforce. So based on the 2004 data or 2005 data, the children or the youth that are today turning 18, we have approximately 60,000 of them in Meghalaya every year. And as of today, there are 80,000 children that are born every year in Meghalaya. Which means in 2041, we will be having approximately 80,000 youths that will join the workforce every year. So you are seeing this trend of number of youths that are coming into the workforce, which is a great strength for our state and our country. But at the same time, a very big challenge for us.